Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature 5 long to pixie hair transformations. First up, we have this beautiful traditional style pixie cut, followed by something a little bit more edgy. So she's going to be getting an undercut pixie style, complete with this gorgeous lavender gray colored hair. Beautiful, loving the unique hair coloring within this pixie cut. It looks absolutely amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone who likes to donate their hair, and she is going from pretty long hair to another gorgeous Peter Pan style pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have another long to pixie hair transformation. Very pretty pixie. I would consider this a longer pixie style. Definitely along the lines of the Pixie haircut, which is a style that is in between the traditional bob and the pixie cut. So moving right along, we see someone with ginger colored hair getting a pixie haircut. Looks like they are spicing things up with a bit of color as well. Absolutely gorgeous. The stylist added in a lot of texture within this particular pixie. Beautiful color, and the curls look amazing. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.